In this video, I will show you how to remove smoky fire background in Photoshop. At first, select your image. Make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Go to Channels. Select Red Channel. Now, red channel is activated and other blue and green become hidden. Hit Ctrl L Levels. Increase black level. Decrease white levels. Now use Ctrl click. This will select the entire white ones, which is fire. Back to layer and add a mask, and that's it. Now you can put any background that matches with fire. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on a next video soon.